Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Math YouTube channel where we go solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2013 AMC and it's question number 13. When Clara totaled her score, she inadvertently reversed the units digit and the tens digit of one score. By which of the following might her incorrect sum have differed from her correct one? So, let's say she'd used 12 instead of 21. So if she was using, no, actually, let's see if she used 21 instead of 12. Which means it would have been a difference of 9. If she used, for example, 17, if she used 71 instead of 17, this would have been a difference of 54. If she used 16 instead of 61, no, if you use, yeah, if you use 16 instead of 61, it's been a difference of 45. And I think that would have been perfect. If you notice, all these will be a multiple of 9. And there's only one multiple of 9 in this entire thing.